Xiaomi has launched the Mijia IH Rice Cooker 2, a smart rice cooker designed to cater to a wide range of household needs. The rice cooker is now available for pre-order in China, starting at 349 Yuan. Xiaomi offers the new rice cooker in 4 capacity options: 2L, 3L, 4L, and 5L. The 2L model can cook approximately 8 bowls of rice and is suitable for 1 to 3 people. The 3L model can prepare 10 bowls, making it ideal for medium-sized families. The 4L and 5L models can cook 16 and 20 bowls of rice, respectively, and are better suited for larger households or gatherings. The Mijia IH Rice Cooker 2 uses an IH Induction Heating system to heat the inner pot evenly from all sides. This system ensures consistent cooking by minimizing temperature differences, allowing each grain of rice to absorb water uniformly. Xiaomi claims this technology produces rice that is soft, glossy, and evenly textured. The rice cooker comes with a fluorine-free ceramic-coated inner pot that improves safety and durability. Xiaomi uses a high-temperature sintering process to bond the ceramic layer tightly to the metal body. The pot features multiple layers, including a non-stick ceramic surface, a wear-resistant reinforcement layer, and a heat-conducting aluminum core. This design enhances heat retention and durability while simplifying post-cooking cleanup. Xiaomi has equipped the rice cooker with 8 cooking modes, including standard rice, porridge, soup, steamed dishes, reheated rice, and cake. The device also features a perfect cook temperature control system. This system uses 9 cooking stages to automatically adjust heat and cooking time, optimizing the process from soaking to simmering. The Mijia IH Rice Cooker 2 includes additional features, including a 24-hour timer, a 12-hour keep warm function, and a top-mounted touch control panel with a display. Xiaomi has upgraded the foam breaker to prevent overflow during porridge or soup cooking. The detachable design makes it easier to clean.